Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the files and permissions so syncing works smoothly. Open Google Drive and upload the Excel. XLSX you want a link. Make sure macros are removed because they don't import. Then, set sharing to viewer or editor for collaborators. You must control access. Once done, open a new Google Sheet where the live link will live. Make sure you are signed into the right Google account because permissions and import options follow your account. You now import and connect the actual data. Use File Import to bring the XLSX content in, or use Import Range to pull from another Google Sheet if you already converted the file. This gives a live link. When using formulas, map ranges explicitly like Sheet 1. A1, C100 so updates sync predictably. Pay attention to data types. Dates and currency often change format, so reformat columns. Finish by finalizing how the link updates and locking the workflow so collaborators don't break it. Choose scheduled refresh tools or rerun file import when you need Excel changes pulled in. Google Sheets doesn't autosync native. XLSX without conversion. Make sure ranges are correct and permissions still allow access, because #ref errors usually mean a permission or range problem. If something goes wrong, recheck sharing, re-import the range, and look at version history to restore a working state.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.